Hey guys, Gary Blevins here. I was going to do a real quick video on how to use these D-loop pliers from Viper Archery. So I had this bow I was setting up for a guy and putting a D-loop on, and I was going to show you how you can use these pliers and how they help you out. So I'd already marked and got my knock point set, and actually I went ahead and I tied the bottom of my D-loop knot, and I'll go ahead and I'll zoom in there so you can see that better. So I have that girth hitch or lark's head hitch, whatever you want to call it, tied on the bottom there. So then all I'm going to do is do the same thing on the top. So let's see. Wrong direction. Alright, so if you can see that I got that D-loop knot tied up there, and we want to get it so we got just the right amount of loop sticking out. I'm going to try to make this just a touch shorter. Alright, by the time I stretch that out, it should be about where we want it. Alright, so then I'm going to real carefully right here where I want that to end. I'm going to clip that off with a pair of sharp scissors. Now, the delicate part, you want to get that melted without damaging your bowstring. So just be very careful, don't get in a rush, watch what you're doing. And so you want that to ball out kind of wide. Then you want to snug it up. Get it where you want it. Then that's where the pliers come in. So if you take these pliers, you have two prongs. One goes above the D-loop, one below it, and then you have the opposite direction, you have another prong. So then give that there a little squeeze, and you're just going to keep, and be careful, I mean you don't want to rip your bowstring out there, but we got that probably a little bit longer than I would like, but I think that will work just fine for right now. But you can see that these pliers snug that right up, so they do a pretty good job. So if you got any questions, leave them in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks.